Okay guys, we decided that we're going to Home Depot.
It's 8:16 p.m.
to get grass for our balcony.
and they close at 9.
And they close at 9.
I think we can do it.
I think we can do it. Let's go. We're at Home Depot because
9 p.m.
we decided to do our balcony and we're getting outdoor grass.
Yeah, like a lot of it.
A lot of it. And we're in line and the store's closing in 10 minutes.
We rushed here.
So wish us luck. And we don't know if it's gonna fit in Gerlene's car. So we'll see.
We're about to find out.
Yeah. Well, it's 4 by 5. Okay.
You want it? You want it?
I got it. A strong, independent woman.
We got it in the car. It is in there. Thank you, Elon, for making the seat go down. We just got back to our apartment, and now we have to go get the dolly to help us take our big grass pieces
Upstairs.
up to our apartment.
What's the fuck?
And it all took us 2 hours from deciding to go at 8:15 or 8:16 to completing it, and the time is 10:22. So if you guys want to do it, go to Home Depot. They cut the grass for you. You have to measure your balcony and do it. We got a tip from our friends who had this on their balcony and we really liked it, so we're going to do it for ours. Thanks for tuning in. It's the first vlog in a very long time. But I hope you enjoyed the trip to Home Depot and watching us make our balcony what it is. Have a good night. Bye.